Him. I am Mr. Muhammad Ehsan Chattha, Professor in Chemistry, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Government Degree College, Chichawatni. Student, today we have to study the aromatic hydrocarbon, 9th chapter of the second year's aromatic hydrocarbons. We have to study today. The first, we have to learn what is the aromatic compounds. The aromatic compounds, first the word aromatic, aroma. Aroma derived from the Greek word which means the fragrance. Aroma means fragrance. It means the fragrant compound are known as aromatic in ancient time, but later on it is found that all the fragrant compound are not aromatic, but some fragrant compound are non-aromatic still. Some compound that are non-aromatic but non-fragrant, but they are still considered as aromatic. So it is we have to clearly define what are the aromatic compound. So the all the aromatic compound have the basic unit benzene ring, that is 6 carbon cyclic hexagonal ring, that have the 6 equivalent corner. They have equivalent angle, triangle 120, and they are 6 equal position. The first basic unit is known as benzene. That compound that have the first basic unit benzene ring is present, that are known as aromatic. And all those compound that have the basic unit benzene ring in that, those in compound that are known as aromatic hydrocarbons, such as if they are fused together they are known as naphthalene. If side chain is present, if a methyl group is present, then it is known as toluene. If two ring are linked with by the single covalent bond, then the compound known as biphenyl. It means that all aromatic compound they have the basic ring, the benzene cyclic hexagonal carbon ring, that have the 3 covalent bond. They are cyclic and conjugated together. Aromatic hydrocarbon compound, the basically they have the first simplest unit benzene ring. Benzene ring has the simplest ratio between the carbon and hydrogen is equal to carbon 6 and hydrogen also 6. They benzene have the highest carbon to hydrogen ratio, have the highest. Aromatic compound are further classified into one cyclic yani monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and more than one cyclic aromatic hydrocarbon known as polycyclic aromatic compound. And polycyclic aromatic compound are further bifurcated into fused ring aromatic hydrocarbons and isolated ring aromatic carbon. First, we study monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, all those compounds that have only one benzene ring in their structure, that are known as monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. All those compounds that have only one benzene ring, or one cyclic, or one more than one chain is present, they are known as monocyclic. Such as benzene have no ring, no chain is present. If the CH3 methyl group is present, the compound is known as toluene. If hydroxyl group is present, the compound is known as phenol. If the amino group is present, the compound is known as aniline. If the carboxyl group is present, no, the compound is known as benzoic acid. Polycyclic aromatic compound are those aromatic compounds that have more than one benzene ring. Either they are fused together or they are separated by the single covalent bond. First, we study the compound. They are isolated ring hydrocarbon, isolated ring aromatic hydrocarbon compound, such as if the two benzene rings are separated by the single covalent bond, they are known as biphenyl. If the जो बाइफिनाइल रिंग है टू फिनाइल रिंग they are separated, two benzene ring are separated by the methylene group, CH2 group, then they are diphenyl methane. Fused such ring polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. If the two benzene ring they are fused at alpha position, then the compound is known as naphthalene. If the two benzene ring are they are fused at alpha position and third ring also fused at beta position, then the compound is known as phenanthrene. If all these three जो cyclic ring हैं they are to fused together at alpha position, the compound is known as anthracene. Student, today we have studied the compound aromatic hydrocarbon and their classification. Next time we study the nomenclature. Allah Hafiz.